Microsoft and Ankr will present a joint infrastructure for blockchain nodes. A fork of the Ordinals NFT project was launched on the Litecoin network. Glassnode pointed to changes in the behavior of Bitcoin investors, and Coinbase recorded a loss of 557 million in the fourth quarter. Good day, you're watching Cryptex.net, the latest news about the world of cryptocurrencies and digital assets. I'm willing to start the info meal. Tech giant Microsoft collaborated with Web3 infrastructure provider Ankr to offer enterprise clients a node service to access blockchain data. The new hosting services will be located on the Microsoft Azure Cloud Marketplace. It will allow projects and Web3 developers to create smart contracts, relay transactions, and read or write blockchain data. Ankr provides a remote procedure call services with an ability to connect the cloud nodes on 19 blockchains, including BNB Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Avalanche. In turn, Azure optimizes transaction processing across multiple proof-of-stake chains and promptly routes RPC requests to the most appropriate nodes. The collaboration of companies can lead to the acceleration of the chain, and it makes a positive effect on computing power. In my humble opinion, acceleration means improvement, but I think this is obvious, so let's move on. The price of Bitcoin holds position near the level of 25 grand, despite the pressure from US regulators. Glassnode analysts explained the situation by significant change in the behavior patterns of market participants. Analysts noted that static interest in Ordinals protocol, the number of NFTs issued in the network of Bitcoin exceeded 100 grand. The share of top-put signatures, thanks to which the placement of such objects became possible, fell from 8.12 to 2.87%, but remains at the increased level. The growth of the network activity and the increase in total UTXO and ATH didn't lead to the activation of on-chain transfers among both holders and speculators. For coins that are younger than 6 months, the daily average remains below 115,000 Bitcoin. Such weak values were observed only a few times in history. The number of coins that moved on the blockchain 6 months ago or later has approached ATC to 15.03 million bitcoins, the same figure for bitcoins over a 1 year old. They also hit an all-time high to 12.91 million bitcoins. The dynamics of the ASOPR indicated a return of the buy-at-any drawdown paradigm among short-term investors. In other words, profit-taking and the desire to break a loss is the category of market participants have declined. Short-term players are washed out on their last legs. Bitcoin is moving to bottom catchers for coins with lower cost, so the trend stays for Bitcoin to continue to rise. Well, let's move on. The analog of the Ordinals protocol appeared in the Litecoin blockchain, which allowed users place various items like images, text, videos, and other formats. Developer Anthony Guerrero admitted that it took him a week to complete this extremely simple task. The motivation was a reward of 22 Litecoin, approximately $2,065. He posted the code to GitHub. The specialists updated the Ordinals code to work with input data from the Litecoin network. He took into account parameters that are different between blockchains, such as the supply-off limit and the difference in blockchain creation time. The first object that he posted due to the transfer of the protocol was the Mimblewimble white paper. According to the developer, unlike the blockchain of Bitcoin, where the placement of objects can cost $12, in Litecoin this operation will require about 2 cents. The developer promised to adapt the Ordinals update code to the best of his ability. He didn't rule out the transfer of supervision to other interested specialists. Updates and improvements guide to stability. And stability in turbulent times is the best medicine. Let me remember you that we offer you the services of our exchange on Cryptex.net. It's safe and, the most importantly, stable with us. We guarantee a 24/7 support, and our specialists will help you in all matters. And let's get to the heart. Coinbase's fourth quarter 2022 net loss was 557 million or 2.46 per share, better than market expectations. In the post-trading session, securities showed high volatility. Net revenue amounted to 604.9 million. The growth of the indicator compared to July-September by 5% became possible thanks to a 34% increase in the revenues combined in the category of subscriptions and services. In the latter, about 22% of revenue came from the staking services. Over the past year, the company generated revenue of 275.5 million from this. The volume of trading commissions for the fourth quarter showed a decrease of 12% from 365.9 to 322.1 million. In 2022, the metric fell almost 3 times to 2.36 billion. The company urged not to extrapolate 120 million received in January from trading commissions to February-March due to the unpredictability of the market situation. Regarding the regulations regime, the company notes a good position to benefit from the transition period. We have this cake today. Take care of yourself and be vigilant. Don't forget to put likes and subscribe. That's all for today, folks. You've watched Cryptex.net. Thank you all for your attention and see you soon.